Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be opening up the 20th box in both of these LEGO Advent calendars. That just sounds crazy to me actually. We're on to the 20th box, so that means we're on to the last 5 doors of these Advent calendars. But honestly, this feels crazy to me. But if you didn't see yesterday's video, that's where we got Groot from the Guardians and Hagrid's motorbike and sidecar from Harry Potter. Let's get into opening the 20th box. That's fun. And it's a tree, but flat. I think this is what goes onto the back of Groot, because he had that bracket. I think that's what that's for. Yeah, not that many pieces in today's calendar. Let's get building. And in today's box, we got this sort of Christmas tree that goes onto the back of Groot. See, when he's facing forward, it just kind of like pops up from the back of him. And yeah, that bracket is supposed to hold the tree. It's a pretty cool little thing. It's got like all these little dots for lights and the star at the top. And yeah, I think it adds to the group, because I think usually when they do these kinds of things where they have the figure in the Advent calendar and then in the next day they add something to them, I feel like usually that takes away from the figure. But I think this actually adds to the figure because it makes it more festive. On to Harry Potter. And the Harry Potter box, we're still in the Deathly Hallows Part 1. And inside, these are always so much harder to open. It's the burrow, it looks like. It's actually pretty cool. Nice little burrow. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So, I'm kind of rethinking my judgment just a little bit. It looked cool on the box, but when actually built, like this zigzag thing there, I mean, I get why they had to do that, because it's the shape of the burrow, but it does not go well into LEGO. I'll just say that. It's okay, I think. It's not great. I'm sorry, LEGO, but it's not great. And that's it for Harry Potter. And as a review of what we got today, we got this Christmas tree that attaches to Groot and the burrow from Harry Potter, which is also the Weasley's house. Ron mentioned that for anyone who hasn't seen Harry Potter before, which I'm not sure that's a lot of people. Yeah, not the best builds today, I don't think. Probably could have done better. And that's it. So please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow when we open the 21st calendar box in the calendar. I gotta remember that. Alright. See you guys.